Finally got it. Finally. So for those who don't know, Versace released a new fragrance. It is Eau Fraîche, and this is Extreme. Actually, I'm curious, it's still EDP, so it's not like straight or anything like that, but I have been excited since they announced this fragrance. I have wanted this fragrance. I'm a little bit of a Versace fanboy. Love their style, love their fragrances. I'm really hopeful. Now, what will happen? This is either A, gonna be an amazing fresh fragrance, or B, it's gonna be a forgettable fragrance that will just be forgotten. Here is the bottle. Feels kind of cool, actually. It's a little, almost like a slippery box. I don't know how to explain what it feels like. It's got like that like faux leather feel to it. I don't know. We'll see. It does have like a snake skin look to it. Hopefully this is all good signs. Hopefully this is good signs. Oh, come on. You gotta admit, that is a really nice looking bottle. That looks killer. So I have not watched any reviews. I've not noticed anything about it. Let's find out. I'm going into this 100% blind, and we are not even going spray strips. We are going straight skin. Ooh! Check that out. Can you see that? It's a really good atomizer. Okay, already I can smell it. So for those of you who don't know, Versace made a line called Versace Man. And then they made a flanker to Versace Man called Versace Eau Fraîche. And then they discontinued the original and kept the flanker. And now we have a flanker to the flanker of the discontinued fragrance. No idea. It's good. It's really good. Has that Eau Fraîche DNA, has that really crisp Versace style for like a freshie, has that Italian flair, that sexiness, has a little bit more like depth to it, a little bit more intense. Yeah, this goes, I might say this goes more of like a Dylan Blue depth. Like you get that richness, that deep, beautiful blue, that just like punchy power. Like to me, based off the scent, it smells like it will last longer than the original. Originally, I got like maybe 4 hours, that's it. I still wear it in the summer. If I need to run to a store real quick and I don't know what to wear, I just pop down real quick, go, come back, and then put on the fragrance I want to wear for the day. It's a great fragrance, really like it. Oh, I'm excited. Now, this is all first impressions. I don't know about longevity, sillage, any of that. In fact, I just got home from work. I'm dead tired. I don't even want to do a film, but the second I saw this arrive, I'm like, screw it, we are filming this immediately. Gotta get my nose on this right away. And again, it's been a little delayed. It should have been here on Sunday night, no, Saturday. It should have arrived Saturday, and it finally got here. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. Now, unfortunately, it's just not coming out, or at least I'm not able to get it for our discounters. This would have been an amazing summer fragrance. Like I may try and wear the heck out of this for the remainder of this summer. I'm already gearing up for the fall, because for those of you who don't know, now's the time to buy your fall fragrances because they're usually cheaper, and the closer to the fall we get, the more the prices go up. So now it's fall time, and I'm getting this amazing bottle. Summer fragrance, like this is great. This could rival almost any blue fragrance out there. If we can get 8 hours with this, this might be the king. This might be the king now. This might be the best summer fragrance on the market. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. I love it. I've always liked Eau Fraîche. I've always liked Dylan Blue. I love Pour Homme. This is taking like the best of them and enhancing and making one fragrance that's just mwah, chef's kiss. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I cannot wait. So I will definitely do a follow-up video. I'll definitely do a follow-up. I have 2 aromatics fragrances over there. I just buy his fragrance for the first time. I just got the 2 new Rayhans. I shot that video earlier today. I have a bunch of new fragrances, so I'll do a follow-up and probably like one video on all of them and call it like hype fragrances. How do they wear? I don't know. We'll figure out in the future. But I'll give you a follow-up on this, let you know if this is worth getting, let you know if this is worth it. Or pop on one of my lives, because I answer every question I can on a live, and I'll let you know then if it's worth it or not, if you don't want to wait for the video. But anyhow, have you got your nose on this? Have you smelled Manna Fresh Intense? Or Extreme, sorry. Is it Intense Extreme? It's Extreme. I keep forgetting what it's called. Have you smelled this one? Because, ooh, I wish I had this a long time ago, like 2 months. I would have emptied this bottle by now. Oh, so good. So anyhow, Nub Experience, talk to you soon.